Hello, girls. It's Friday. Okay, now, because it's really hard to maintain my super awesome invisibility cloaking power, I'm going to take off my invisibility cloak and let you see me. Are you ready? Hello. Now, you might notice that Adrian can't make it today, though I am her sore-throated alter ego, who may have a cold, and you can't see much of their face, and is also part ogre. Now, I know that my invisibility cloak is pretty awesome. In fact, it's so awesome that Harry Potter's invisibility cloak was based off of mine, but they had to, tone it down a bit because mine was just, had some of the best features in the world, such as super speed, and the ability to post a vlog post in the future. Yeah, so, I'm definitely filming this on Friday, not Thursday, and I'm definitely putting it up on Friday, not Thursday, but, because of my invisibility cloak, because it's real awesome, this is probably going to show up on YouTube on Thursday. The ability to communicate your thoughts telepathically, and was also just super duper stylish. Do you mind if I take the sunglasses off? So as I just pointed out to you, I have this delectable mustache. I noticed that Patricia and Becca both had mustaches, and I didn't want to feel left out, so I had a mustache. Mine is constructed predominantly of eyeliner and the rest of eyeshadow, and you'll notice it's a beautiful, beautiful white, because while I may be young, my mustache has aged past my years. So that's my mustache. In case you can't tell, Adrian doesn't really have much to talk about this week. So, as you may have noticed, many of the special effects used to exemplify the awesomeness of my invisibility cloak weren't real. That mysterious figure you saw racing across your screen was actually a fork in a tissue, which I thought was a pretty accurate representation of myself. And also, yeah, it's Thursday. I'm sorry, tomorrow I'm going to some random field in some random town to watch some random boys. Not just any random boys, that would be weird, especially because they're under 10, play touch football, and then I'm going to Sydney where I don't have internet. So I'm posting today. Have a good week. Stella, hopefully I'll see you tomorrow. Hopefully your upload problems are finished. Itzel, I figured out a punishment for you. Eat a spoon. Eat a spoonful of ketchup. It's a pretty easy punishment. If you don't have ketchup, just eat something else gross. A spoonful of it. Preferably liquid.